In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Wix with Zoho, allowing you to seamlessly embed forms into your Wix website. This process is straightforward and will enable you to better engage with your website visitors. Let's dive in and get started. First up, you need to obtain your Zoho Forms permalink URL. Begin by logging into your Zoho Forms account. Once you've logged in, navigate to the form you wish to embed into your Wix site. Now, look towards the tabs above and click on the one labeled Share. This is where you'll find several options for how you can share or integrate your form. The focus here is on the Embed section, where you'll select Permalink. A unique URL will appear. This is your form's direct link, your key to embedding it into Wix, so go ahead and copy it. With that URL safely copied, next, turn your attention to your Wix website. Log into your Wix account and open the website editor for the site where you want to embed the form. This is your workspace, where all the magic happens and is familiar territory if you've been building your site here. Now, we'll add an embed code element. On the left-hand side of the editor interface, you should see a menu. Find and click on the Add button, easy to spot as it's marked with a plus sign. From the options that expand out, select Embed, and within this submenu, choose to embed a site. This function is what enables you to integrate external content, like your Zoho form, directly into your Wix website. Next, it's time to insert the permalink URL you got from Zoho. Look for the field labeled Enter Website Address. This is where that URL comes into play. Click into this field and paste the Zoho Forms permalink URL you copied earlier. It's as simple as that. When you're all set, just hit Apply. This action solidifies the embedding process, ensuring your Zoho form is now part of your Wix site, ready for users to interact with. Congratulations! You've successfully integrated a Zoho form into your Wix website. Embedding forms like this can be a game changer for collecting user data, encouraging engagement, and offering interactive experiences right from your site. Remember, each step builds on the previous one, so feel free to revisit any part of this process as needed. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy embedding!